Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Sienna van. I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger right front power window switch. The problem is the glass will go down, no problem, but when you want to make it go up, you got to kind of flicker around with the switch before it actually gets contact and go up. So I'm going to be replacing the switch. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Some dielectric grease, door panel remover, Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat tip screwdriver. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a passenger right front power window switch. So first, we're going to be removing these two screws, one here and one there. Then we're going to be prying up this panel, and this guy slides out. Okay. So I'm going to be removing the switch because these tabs I got to push in. And one on this side. Disconnect the wire from the switch, push this tab in and pull it out. Putting in some dielectric grease into my electrical connector. Connecting the connector to my switch. Now let's see if this thing works before we put it back. Turn the key to the on position. Okay, now that works perfect. Okay, putting the switch back in. Putting this panel in. Put the front in first, and the back you just push it down. Locks in. Put these two screws on. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a passenger right front power window switch. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.